Sing Sang Tai Tai Leho. My name is Giselan Lombreno Aris. I am 27 years old. I am from Arapangi, Kibawe, Bukidnon, Philippines. I am married. I have two daughters, 7 years old and 9 years old. My highest educational attainment is college graduate. My hobbies are cooking, baking, gardening, and I am a pet lover. I have one dog. My expertise are childcare. I work as a housemaid in the Philippines from March 3, 2019 to March 3, 2023. I serve one couple and her two children. Her ages is 19 years old and 1 years old. My duties are taking care of the children, cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, ironing, cash washing, and marketing. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family and for my children. I am willing to take good care a newborn baby and I can sing a song like the wheels on the bus. The wheels on the bus go round in round, round in round, round in round. The wheels on the bus go round in round, all through the town. To my future employer, ma'am, sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I am hardworking, honest, and obedient. I promise to be a good housemaid and I prioritize my job and finish my 2 years contract or more. Thank you, ma'am and sir. I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.